Welcome to another Zimcast, and we have an unboxing video. This is the new Magic Keyboard with Touch ID from Apple. It's the black keys with the silver design. I'm curious to see what this bad boy looks like in person. And again, the Touch ID actually only works if you have a Mac with Apple Silicon, so one of the M1 variants in there, right? All right, so let's go ahead and open this. And actually, before we open it, I do want to say that I will have a video on the Apple Studio display that just recently came out. So that video will come out soon because that should be on its way. And another video on the new Mac Studio, but that one's gonna be a couple weeks because it's gonna take a couple weeks for them to get it to me. All right, anyway, let us open this up. So there's a little tab on the back here. There was no plastic on this, right? So there's a little tab on the back. Go ahead and pull up that tab, and there you go. It just slides out, and there it is, a little plastic here. Before we open this, just go through. You get a braided Lightning to USB-C cable. That is awesome that you get this cable. Handy for charging. Again, this is wireless. And then you get your normal little packet of information with any stickers. No stickers this time? No stickers. Got rid of the stickers. They usually have Apple stickers in there. All right, we'll see if the other stuff comes with stickers. But now let's go ahead and open this up. And there you go. It looks really nice, and there is the Touch ID right next to function 12. That's where the old eject button used to be, because remember when computers had CD-ROM drives? That's what the black back looks like. And yeah, it does look nice. It is silver. Now, the thing that I was curious about is how it would compare to the SpaceGrey keyboard that they had. And I happen to have a SpaceGrey keyboard here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Of course, this SpaceGrey keyboard does not have a Touch ID on it, but you can see, let's see if I could hold them up here together, right? There we go. All right, you can see the SpaceGrey is definitely a lot. I mean, obviously the keys all look the same, but one has got that silver tone to it, and the other one does have that SpaceGrey tone to it, that darker feel to it. So, but I do like it. You know what? That it's not super light, the silver. Yeah, it's not as dark as this. I'm curious if I'm gonna miss that darkness, but I do like it. I mean, the Touch ID is just gonna be worth it right there. So, all right, weight, I could probably look it up, but it does feel a little bit heavier. So, all right, awesome. I can't wait to start using this keyboard, but I won't be able to until that Mac Studio arrives, because, I mean, I guess I can, but I won't be able to use the Touch ID until that Mac Studio arrives, because my current Mac is still one of the old school Intel Macs. All right, well, listen, I hope you all enjoyed this really quick, short video. Again, like, subscribe, comment. Which one do you like better? The old SpaceGrey option, or this new silver with black keys? Yeah. And again, look for those other videos. We'll have the cinema display and the studio display, and the Mac Studio coming up as soon as they arrive. Awesome. Listen, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good one.